Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. This is Favorn and today I'm here to show you the necessities you may need when building a makeup kit. And yeah, this is for beginners, so if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. And beauties, the first product or item I would like to recommend is the primer. And the use of the primer is to improve the lifespan of the makeup. For example, it helps it to not fade away throughout the day. And for me, I use the classic makeup. The product or item number 2 is the foundation, and for me, I use the BB Plus foundation in the shade number 3. And yeah, the third item would be the concealers. And with the concealers, at first you did only one of a lighter shade, so that you can use it to clean the downer part of your brows, and another one close to your skin color, so that you can use it to clean the upper part of your brows. And for me, these ones are from the LA Girl. So beauty's product or item number 4 would be the what we call the highlighter. That's how it looks like. Okay, mine, that's how it looks like. So the use of the highlighter is to give further definition to your facial features. For example, you can apply it on your cheekbones, the tip of your nose, and on the cupid's bow. And yeah, and for me, I use the Favorn Vivid Baked Highlighter. I'm back with item 5, and that's what we call a beauty blender or beauty sponge. And this is going to help you to apply your foundation. You get, but when applying foundation, don't drag, just. And yeah, the next product would be the mascara. And this is used to add volume to your eyelashes. It adds volume to your eyelashes, and if you're a beginner, you don't need to go crazy by adding these false eyelashes. So for me, I use one called the Kaylee Waterproof. Okay, the next item would be the eyeshadow palette. And when you're a beginner, you don't need to buy many eyeshadow palettes, but now how will you create those eyeshadow looks you have been yearning for? So I would kindly recommend you to get yourself a neutral or nude eyeshadow palette, so that you can be able to create those classic looks. And for me, I use one from, it's called the Makeup Studio I Nude 12 color shadow palette. That's how it looks like. Yeah, I know you'd like to create those flawless winged eyeliner looks, and yeah, don't get afraid. All you need is what we call a liquid eyeliner. A liquid eyeliner. And for me, I use this 24-hour matte liner from the Kiss Beauty. So I don't know what you'd like to use. The next item would be what we call an eye pencil. An eye pencil, it is used to draw the brows and to fill them in. So if you begin, I would kindly recommend you to use a brown shade, though for me, I use this one. Okay, and it's called the DV 2-in-1. And yeah, the next product will be what we call the setting powder. And for me, I use what we call the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. This is used to set your concealer after applying, so that you don't get cracks, creases. And the next item that shouldn't miss in your makeup starter kit would be what we call the lipsticks. You can choose any shade, but if you're a beginner, I would recommend you to never miss a nude shade lipstick in your kit. And in case you're not feeling the lipsticks, why not try out this what we call the lip gloss? And the lip gloss, it helps you to get that glossy lip. You get. And last but not least, another item you will need is what we call a setting spray, and this will help you help your makeup to not fade away throughout the day or night. And yeah, that's all for the starter kit. Is there anything else? And yeah, thanks for watching. See you in my next video. And if there is anything if there is any video you want me to do next, drop it in the comment section. I will be right back. See you the next time. Bye bye.